Spitfire Audio Spring Sale is on, so today I'm gonna make a song with sale-featured products in 2 hours.
Ready, go! All for Arnold's Chamber Evolution. I hope this will be the backbone of this track. I want closer intimacy for the intro. 60 BPM. Okay, so let me check my harmony. I deleted this space so I can play something else. British Drama Toolkit. I think woodwinds will work. Bass and clarinet. You should see this interface when you play British Drama Toolkit, you know. I guess Cymbalon's tremolo will work like mandolin, you know. So let's try. I don't know. Tell me if you know the abbreviation for Cymbalon. Sounds like an effect, right? I have no idea. If I had a beat, it would be easier. One more British Drama Toolkit. Let's add textures with this one, you know? Oh, this will be cool. When the mod wheel is down here, it's the microphone signal, and when the mod wheel is up, it's an amped signal, you know? It's interesting, right? So now thanks to Kontakt 7, I can, search like this, for more complete control. I like it. I think when it's reverbed, it would be cool. Or for ORCHESTRAS synthesizer. Yeah, it's time for today. See you tomorrow. Now I've got another 60 minutes today. Let's go. So next part, I wanna use my pianos. I mean firewood piano. Make waves, looped rhythms. So this randomizes the grids, well, every 8 beats. I change it like 4. It works now, yes. Orphanos, Stratus. Oh yeah, CC number 1 controls the volume of this synthesizer. Gradually introduces this one. Sounds cool so far. I think it would be cool to end this song with this one. Synthesizer made from an electric guitar, low pass filter. What kind of effects is behind this? The reverb is too much. And amp simulation. This song makes me sleep. I need to add more low end, so I'm gonna use Abbey Road Orchestra legendary low strings. Let's change the mic position. Well, let's clean up the MIDI CC. I have an idea. I want to add, edit with the choir. It has some episodic articulations. There's one more plugin for Eric Whittaker choir. This is EvoGrid. Let's try some kind of vintage microphone. I didn't set up reverb, but
I'm adding this tape plugin onto this electric choir. And it's over. I guess the core bundle and the professional bundle are good for like contemporary ambient stuff. Please let me know your favorite Spitfire audio libraries in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. If you can dream it, you can produce it. Yeah, I guess the PC is dying, you know. The electric currency was weak today. I'm so sorry for the mic. See ya.